It's Andrei Vasilevskiy back between the pipes for Game 4, hoping to see far fewer than the 48 shots he faced in a Game 3 loss. The Penguins are a whopping plus 55 in the shots department through 3 games as they look to bring a commanding 3-1 series lead home to Pittsburgh on Sunday night.
Taken along by Brown, though, and sent to the back, and Hedman there with a shot. Score! 27 seconds in.
Doc, you talk about a man of his word. Ryan Callahan before this game called his shot. We're going to be aggressive on the forecheck. We're going to manage the puck, and we're going to go after them.
Carried on by Alex Killorn. Killorn drifts, drops it off. Kucherov there, spinning across. Score! Schuster! 2-0.
Kucherov's going to come over and tap his stick on the ice for Killorn. He wants a cross and drop, and when he taps his stick, Killorn leaves it for him, and there's the delivery by Andrei Schuster off the Kucherov feed.
Carried back on and sent on back by Kucherov. It's Hedman with it. Glides to the deep slot. Sent one around in front. Drouin on a cross ball. Drouin scores!
Cross crease feed to Palat. Comes right back to Drouin. He's looking at the yawning cage. 3-0. But the awareness of Victor Hedman identifying the target, moving it tape to tape. And eventually Drouin is going to capitalize on a second chance opportunity.
Kucherov crosses over. He's got it. Pivots. Killorn. Kucherov. Threw one around in front.
Doc, when you're a point getter like Kucherov is, he had 2 assists in game number 3. Everything's better. The pillow's softer. The food is warmer. The plane rides are shorter. Nikita Kucherov's feeling it. You could just see it in this game.
Marc-Andre Fleury, who last played on March the 31st, sidelined by a concussion, has been a backup for 2.5 weeks. This is his 99th career playoff appearance. Played back along by Kucherov, fed back ahead, and it's Bonino. Right back on it's Kessel, and his shot, he scores! Bill Kessel, it is 1 goal for the Penguins.
Man, can he snap those things, Doc. Real good job by Pittsburgh on the counterattack.
Flex back over by Kessel, and that one read and played back out by Brayden Coburn. This one comes across in a 2-on-1. Nemesnikov moving right in, popped along by Fleury, and it skipped wide.
How about that for your first chance at 2-on-1?
Malkin able to gain the zone, looks over the traffic. Here's Malkin right around in front. He scores! Malkin, and it's 4-2 with 8:47 left to go in the third.
Just a brilliant play by 14 and White. No interference, nothing wrong. You see him with a stick, backs him off. That gives Malkin the ability to get to the net, and he just whips it past Vasilevskiy.
Taken out of the play by Callahan. It's helped on back to Letang. Quickly across Chiarri. Through one in front. Save. Rebound. Score! Kunitz! A power play goal, and it's now 4-3.
Chiarri puts a puck on goal. Deflection by Justin Schultz, who jumped in off the blue line. And there's Chris Kunitz for the rebound.
Crosby got it back to the point. Letang handed it over. Schultz a drive. Save made by Vasilevskiy. Kunitz up with it there. 4 seconds and 3. Scramble around in front. The puck pushed behind. And the series is even.
The Lightning hang on for dear life and even up the Eastern Conference Final after a 4-3 win. Andrei Vasilevskiy stops 35 shots to record his first victory in his last 8 decisions as a starter, going back to the regular season. Ryan Callahan's goal 27 seconds into the game was the quickest postseason goal by a Lightning player since Adam Hall scored 13 seconds into Game 2 of the 2011 Eastern Conference Final. The Penguins were a plus 55 in shots on goal through the first 3 games, but only outshot the Bolts by a narrow 38-37 margin in Game 4. Game 5 takes place Sunday night in Pittsburgh at 8 p.m. Eastern Time.